Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some words of vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word for today is path. Path is basically a route or a track that is made for people or animals to walk along, often through a countryside. Example includes, I followed the path to the woods to get to the river. जिसे आपको इस पिक्चर में भी नजर आ रहा है, रास्ते को, ट्रैक को या रूट को पाथ कहते हैं. Synonyms includes track, trail, pathway, footpath, walk along, lane. And antonyms includes obstacle, detour, roadblock, hindrance, blockage, and impasse. Next word is prescient. Prescient basically refers to the quality or the state of being precise, accurate, or exact in measurement, calculation, or performance. Example includes, the surgeon had to use the great prescience when performing the delicate surgery. किसी चीज को बहुत एहतियात से, बहुत ध्यान से, बहुत तवज्जो से, बहुत परफेक्शन से करने को प्रिसियन कहते हैं. Synonyms include accuracy, exactness, correctness, meticulousness, rigidness, fineness, and antonyms includes inaccuracy, imprecision, ambiguity, vagueness, looseness, and carelessness. Next word is pizzazz. Pizzazz basically means the quality of being attractive, exciting, or full of energy. Example include, this dance performance lacked pizzazz, so the audience was not impressed. कोई ऐसी चीज जो अपनी तरफ मतवज्जो करे, इसके लिए pizzazz का word use होता है. Synonyms includes energy, vibrancy, liveliness, zest, charisma, and flair. And antonyms includes dullness, lethargy, boredom, apathy, listlessness, and monotony. Potential. Potential is basically having the ability or capacity to develop into something in future. किसी में काबिलियत होना, किसी में जज्बा होना, किसी काम को करने का, उसके लिए potential का word use होता है. Examples includes, the young athlete showed a great potential in her first session on the team. Synonyms includes capability, capacity, possibility, promise, aptitude, and talent. And antonyms includes incapacity, incompetence, inability, disability, weakness, and inaptitude. Next is qualitative. Qualitative basically refers to something that is related to the quality or characteristics of something rather than its quantity. यानी कि किसी की क्वालिटी के मतलब हम कहते हैं कि मतलब ये कि उसका जो है वो उसमें परफेक्शन कितनी है, उसमें बेहतरी कितनी है, ठीक है, उसमें प्योरनेस कितनी है, उसके लिए हम क्वालिटी का वर्ड यूज करते हैं. तो क्वालिटेटिव उस हवाले से होगा. एग्जांपल्स इंक्लूड द क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट शोड दैट इट हैड हाई लेवल ऑफ प्योरिटी. Synonyms includes descriptive, subjective, evaluative, interpretive, categorical, and characteristic. And antonyms includes quantitative, objective, statistical, numerical, measurable, and quantifiable. Qualm. Qualm basically refers to the feeling of unease or doubt, especially about one's actions. Examples includes, she had qualms about cheating on test. Okay. Then there are synonyms which includes doubt, hesitation, uncertainty, misgiving, apprehension, reservation. And antonyms includes assurance, confidence, certitude, conviction, trust, and surety. Then word is quantitative, which basically refers to the type of the data that can be measured and expressed numerically. जब आप numbers में बात कर रहे होते हैं तो वो quantitative होती है. Example include, the survey collected the quantitative data about the number of people who preferred coffee over tea. Synonyms includes numerical, measurable, quantifiable, numerical-based, number-oriented, statistical. And antonyms includes qualitative, subjective, non-numeric, non-quantitative, immeasurable, and unmeasurable. Next word is quarrel. Quarrel basically means an angry argument or disagreement between two or more people. जब दो लोगों के दरमियान लड़ाई हो तो उसके लिए quarrel का word use होता है. Example includes, the couple had a quarrel over how to spend their savings. Synonyms include argument, dispute, altercation, disagreement, and conflict. And antonyms includes agreement, harmony, concord, peace, reconciliation, and planning. So this is all for today. Thank you so much.